guys, welcome back. Raul García here. We're going out for another adventure. We're going fishing in our boat again. I'm by myself this time. It's way too early. You might get confused by the light, but it's really early. It's 5 in the morning, so we're heading early in the lake. And my goal is to go and catch whatever we can catch in the boat. But I'm gonna mainly target northern pikes. Yeah, so I want to start early because lately and the day is super hot, so I don't want to be fishing in the pure sun and like 32, 35 degrees Celsius temperature. I don't want to be fishing in that. Today's been super hot, so I don't know. So we'll see. We'll start early and then we'll finish until our body can handle it. And then yeah, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the lake. Like I mentioned, it's pretty early in the morning, so cheers, guys. Coffee. So see you in the lake and then yeah, stay tuned. Alright, guys, welcome back here. I'm in the lake. It took us a few minutes to get it set up, to get it going, I should say. But finally we're in the water. The wind is pretty low wind today, so I'm gonna take advantage of that. We're gonna start with trolling. It's very weedy right now. It's super weedy. But we're gonna do a little lap in the usual spot by trolling. And first thing I'm gonna be using is gonna be the catch and bait lures, Frosty. A quiet and beautiful morning, so hopefully today is our day. It's a little smoky out here. We got some fire forest going on, and it's gonna be a super hot day too. So hopefully with this cool morning water, the fish is gonna be active. That's my goal, just to hunt them. I need to look around where is the weed beds, because with this heat the weeds are super high now, so that's gonna be a challenge if I'm gonna be trolling. If I don't get anything by trolling, then I'm just gonna have to find a spot and then just jig and see what can we catch. But I got faith that we can catch something by trolling, especially this early in the morning. It's about 5:30 in the morning right now. So anyways, let's try it. Let's have a look. Let's have fun. Looking in my fish finder, say that we're 22 feet deep. It's marking a lot of fish in here. I'm assuming it's little perch. That's a good sign because pike need to eat. So I'm gonna turn off the video here for now, and then we'll see you when we get the first one. Bite has been super tough, guys. It's been an hour, not an evil, not nothing. I try jigging, I try the trolling and all that, and nothing seems to work. So we're gonna have to make a plan here. We need to change the game. We need to approach it differently because they don't like to do this. So what I'll do, I might just try a different lure. Maybe it's just the color, they're not up to that. I'm gonna put the perch pattern now instead of putting the red pattern from catch and bait. So I just try to get as close as I can from the to the shore, so I can kind of target them, or ambush them right out of the weeds in there. Probably pike are hanging out in there. I don't know, maybe they're deep. It's hard to say, but just need to keep looking for them because they're there. It's just, you know what? I'm gonna try this one from catch and bait. I'm gonna try the minnow color. This is what I'm gonna see if we can get some shine, some shining from the sun or something. I don't know. Last time I used it, it works pretty well. Unfortunately, this is the only color. I have a white one too, but like I say, it's been tough to bite. So I better change my game because they're winning. But anyway, so that was a terrible cut. We're gonna just kind of get close, and I'll let you know as soon as we get a fish. Yeah, we need to get one soon. Yes, I was just jigging here, and right away. It's just a little. Let's make a mess here. Okay, so that's good. So jigging is gonna be just a little bit. That's what we're gonna have to be doing, guys. It's like I mentioned, we weren't getting any fish, and it's nice to just have the first one. Just need to go back out. The water is just kind of thick. I don't know. Maybe I'll try here. Finally, I just had a bite. Didn't felt anything big. It was definitely a bite, but didn't commit to it. I changed the color. I'm going to the fluorescent color. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Still no luck. Just that little walleye by jigging. So just gonna do another troll around in this area, and then if not, like I say, I'm gonna go and see if I can find the walleye if they're biting by jigging or something. Because yeah, it's almost getting time. It's been what, 2 hours of fishing and only one fish and one nibble, so you guys can figure it out. It's not, you can see that it's not the best day today. At least I'm not skunk. I just got one at least. But it'd be nice if we can get a fish to bite now. Oh, right there. Oh, that's me, that's me. We got a fish, but it's just the smallest walleye ever. Freaking hard. One more now. Guys, oh man, I really missed Pike. He didn't let me down this green pattern. And this morning I saw him jumping. I saw him jumping in the when I was gigging. So that's why I decided to come and try and troll in here to pay off. She's a nice. Let's see if he's a keeper. That would be sweet. Try to get the camera. I hope. I don't know. I haven't seen the fish yet. Ooh, it's a walleye. It's a walleye. Wow. Oh, and I got it by the belly. Oh, shit. I got it by the belly. I don't want to lose it. Hold on. Okay. Ooh. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna get it off. Wally, nice keeper, so we're gonna keep it. And I can measure it quick, just to make sure. On 18 inch Wally. Pretty slow, so we're gonna have to keep it, guys. So. Finally, guys, this is a little pike. Oh man, really I'm fighting to get these guys. Oh, it's a little walleye. Little walleye. Holy greedy walleye. Okay. Nothing really fancy, but tell you other friends, please to come. Okay, so we're gonna release it, and then yeah, release it. So I came to a little spot here. Oh, okay, what? That's good. A little perch. Oh, sorry. I think that's gonna be for today's video. Didn't catch anything impressive aside just that nice keeper of walleye that I had. Other than that, just a small fish, small walleye, small perch. Bite is not on, I guess, but you know, at least it's nice to be out in here. So, you know, it's a long day, it's hot, so I'm gonna call it. If you like this video, give us a like. If you think about this video, leave us a comment. So that's a fish, guys, and that's a pike for sure. It's full of weeds. That's it. Let's get in the car. It's a nice keeper. Okay. We're done. Let's eat it. That was easy. Okay. Nice spike here. Finally. There's something with him. Right, so oh. I was a pipe, but I think that was a wheat. Or no. It was a bite. Yes. I had 2 bites in a row. I'm gonna turn back and just patrol around. That's it, not in. Yeah, they weren't weeds, they're bites. I'm just gonna go back again. Okay, just to feed on the perch. Right there. Let's just jump in there. I'm gonna go back in the hole now. Here, quick catch. Oh, right there. Oh man, I saw him. He just. Oh man, I wish I had my GoPro in the head. Oh wow. I wish I had my GoPro in my head. Oh, that's just hilarious. That's another keeper right there. Oh yes. Oh, I told you guys I'm gonna get this guy. I'm not gonna jinx it because I don't wanna lose it now. Oh, that's a big one too. Or a decent one. I got you by the eye, but well, we're getting all splashed, guys. And just like that, just like that, guys. Just a simple bait, it will make a difference, eh? Oh, that's just big look. Yeah, oh, it's a big head. Yeah. That's It's a really nice one. I need to take a picture. Oh yes, like seriously guys, he came and just got it. Oh, sorry, I'm just excited. I just need to put her to sleep. I'll be home. That was insane. Like I should get the GoPro in my hand. Like seriously, that was epic vibe. It came from, like I say, it came from the top, like the bottom. It just kind of like got it, like bite it. Like, it was just awesome, just by casting. So I was just trying to turn the boat, and that's how it came. And I can see the water, like I can see coming out and getting it. So they're hiding in this weed bed, and then so they still in the same depth. Oh, I'm bleeding. He got me. In these beds, and then yeah, they're just coming out of there. This is like, oh, it's epic. There we go, guys. This is the pike. It's the pike for sure. Little one. Oh. Yeah, because someone didn't go with. Oh, I don't know. Got it there. Hold on, guys. Right now. Get it? That's nice. Take a picture here. And then it's gonna do we're gonna do an underwater release. Just to show you, skinny little guy. And I go. Back in the business. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. Give us a comment, leave us a like if you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hopefully we don't catch anything.